Laravel Cloud just released Markdown for agents, and it's going to change the way AI tools come and basically scrape your site or pull data from your site. It's pretty sweet. So normally when an AI agent requests your site, it has to pull all the HTML. That includes, all your script tags, all your HTML tags, and pretty much everything that's if you view source. So it's just tons of data, and it can use a lot of tokens in the process. And for the most part, you don't really need to be sending all that data. So with this new feature, you can have it automatically return Markdown, and it's really easy to set up. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to do it, show you how to test it, and just see the differences. So first off, go to your Laravel Cloud account. And in this case, you'll just want to go to your main account, go into an application, go into an environment, and then click Settings at the top. From here, you're going to click Network and Configure Edge Network Settings. From here, Response Rules is the spot, and it's just a checkbox. Markdown for agents. So I've already turned it on. That way we can test it and play around with it. So just to give you an example, let's pull up our terminal. What we can do is just type curl-i, and we'll just type in a URL. Let me grab one real quick. And this will be the latest Laravel release that we covered, and just to kind of give you an idea here. So as you can see, boom, tons of HTML, tons of data. This doesn't actually tell me how big it is, but if I scrolled, you would see it's massive. So the new way, and this is what agents will be doing, is and to test this, basically you just type in curl-i, you throw in a -h for an accept, and you want to accept text markdown. Hit enter, and boom, you can see all the HTML now. So that's pretty sweet. And that's really all it is to it. Once that's enabled, any agent that pulls your site like this will get the markdown and be good to go. If you publish documentation, tutorials, content, this helps the AI basically, understand your system better. So you should consider doing it. I think it's a good thing. And I think with the nature of how the web is progressing in this AI era, anything we can do to sort of help the AI is a net positive. So check this out. And if you want to give it a try, just go into your cloud account, turn it on, and you should be good to go. Let me know in the comments if you want sort of a deeper dive into what we're doing on Laravel News for AI content, anything like that. We're glad to make videos, glad to try to give out as much information as we can around this new AI world.